In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite screen tearing in Chapter 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, this could be super annoying because, especially if you're playing builds or something, you're going very fast movements and all of a sudden you're getting screen tearing. It could be very, ridiculous. So what you want to do is go over to your settings like so, then press this settings wheel. Now, once you're here, all you want to do is turn off VSync. If you have this on, this could literally be the main issue and reason for screen tearing. So have VSync on. I would never ever recommend playing with VSync. It's horrible and it introduces so much input delay as well. The next thing you want to do is your frame rate limit. Firstly, you don't want to ever put it on unlimited because it's going to be very unstable. But what you want to do is whatever your refresh rate on your monitor is, for example, if your refresh rate on your monitor is 240 hertz, you want to switch your frame rate limit to 240 FPS. You don't want to make it like lower or higher because that will introduce screen tearing. So make sure it's on the exact one you want. For example, my monitor right now, it's a 540 hertz monitor, but I've set it to 360 hertz. And that means I've set my frame rate limit to 360 FPS. And that's literally it. That's going to be the main reason for screen tearing. It's those simple settings and then you'll be good to go. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel as well.